What is chemistry? Chemistry is defined as the scientific study of the composition, properties, and reactions of matter. It is the branch of science that studies matter, that is, anything that has weight and occupies space. We are going to learn more in the next topic on the physical state of matter. Studying chemistry helps us to understand the composition of substance, the structure and changes or transformation that matter undergoes. In terms of composition, chemistry explores the composition of substances by focusing on what elements they contain, how atoms combine to form molecules, and the proportion of each part. Everything around us, whether it is water, salt, metal, plastic, is made from specific atoms and they are arranged in a specific way. We are going to learn more as we continue in this topic. Chemistry also studies how atoms and molecules are arranged inside the material. The structure focuses on the state of matter and the properties of matter. The arrangement as shown in this particle arrangement determines the properties of matter. And lastly, chemistry also examines how substances change during the reactions, including the decomposition of old bonds, formation of a new one, and the energy that involves in the transformation or changes of matter. During the transformation of matter, energy can be gained from the environment or lost into the environment. In summary, chemistry is a branch of science that focuses on the study of matter, that is, anything that has weight and occupies space. It helps to understand the composition of a substance, the structure, and the changes or the transformation that the matter undergoes. In the next video, I will explain the introduction to matter and I will discuss the physical state of matter. See you in the next video.